Although the Rubik's Cube reached its peak of popularity in the 80s, I've still always wanted to join the ranks of the cubers, or the cubies, or the... I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you can think of a name. So 1 second. I actually did finish filming all of a tutorial on how to solve a Rubik's Cube, which is going to be the original content of this video. But it was pretty painstakingly done, especially during the editing process. I almost put myself to sleep. And that's when I realized that tutorials is not something that I really want to be doing on this channel, but instead I want to be showing you how fun it is to learn, and tips, gotta keep in mind tips and not tutorials, on learning a new skill, as well as sharing my journey along the way. And let's be honest, when are we really ever done learning?
I know Kung Fu.
I'm still at the beginning of my YouTube journey, still learning every day, and still trying to build out where I want this channel to go. So I appreciate y'all's support while I figure this out. In the description below, you'll find the best tutorial on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. It only took me one watch through, that's right, just one watch through, with a lot of pauses to solve the Rubik's Cube, but you can do it too. I will, however, share the following tips. Learn the difference between clockwise and counterclockwise. As a visual learner, it's a little difficult for me to immediately understand what someone means when they say clockwise. You know how often that's brought up in conversation. Every day someone says, hey, turn that thing clockwise. I have to think about what a clock looks like in my head. The middle pieces don't move. They simply indicate the cube's side's color, just like Will Smith says.
So if it's yellow in the center, that's the yellow side. Right. If it's red in the center, that's the red side.
Get the hang of what I like to call the left swap and the right swap. I will show you these. There are two main patterns you'll need. The first is right face clockwise, top face clockwise. Right face counterclockwise, top face counterclockwise. The second pattern is the same but on the left side, so left face counterclockwise, top face counterclockwise, left face clockwise, top face clockwise. What these two patterns do is rotate the positions and orientations of the top and bottom corner pieces of the side that you're working on. Not only will you be using these patterns frequently, but also it looks really cool when you do it fast. If you get frustrated, just put the cube down. It'll be there when you get back. Or will it? Lastly, patience and determination, as always. If you don't already have a Rubik's Cube, there's a link in the description below to go on Amazon. Or you could also just borrow one from your neighbor like I did. Anywho, thanks for watching all. Don't forget to rotate that like button and subscribe. I will see you next week. Bye! Because you're looking down and listening. Unless you have three eyes, like Yamcha. No one knows who Yamcha is, don't worry about it. Unless you do know who Yamcha is. Do you know? Let me know in the comments if you know who Yamcha is. Where is it going? Is it going forward? No. You know how to juggle. Did you think this is a toy? It's colorful and it keeps you entertained for hours. It's probably a toy. This is a toy. Paging Will Robinson. That's the wrong Will. YouTube journey. YouTube. If I say it this slowly, you'll think that I'm weird. Think of my YouTube. Why can't I say it? Finally, it is happening to me right in front of my face, and I just cannot hide it. This is how I'm gonna get around the music copyright rules. I'm just gonna sing all of the songs myself.